actually the best water we go.
This is actually the best water.
No, we do say it all the time, but
Yeah.
this is actually.
So we've just got a check-in drink, and then we're about to check in now. There's a coconut demo at 12:30, so we're going to it. This is the view, absolutely amazing. Yeah, coconut demo time. This is the view for the coconut demo. Got kayaks and paddle boards and stuff.
Eyes.
Hang on. How many eyes? Okay. Second question, and how many joints? Joint like to maybe join the two ends or maybe the two parts. You know, the answer is there. First question: how many eyes?
How many eyes?
Watch the shell carefully, turning around.
There you go. How
Watch
many?
the shell carefully.
3.
And how many eyes and how many joints?
Ah, okay. 3. I think
3
it's
eyes.
3 and 3. 3 joints. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, but then is that a joint?
Yeah, joint maybe connects 2.
Okay.
3 and 3.
So your time is over.
Oh no.
So hang on. How many eyes
3.
and how many joints?
I'm gonna go with 3 as well.
Okay.
3 eyes, 1 joint.
So 3 eyes and 3 joints.
Oh. Well done, George.
So the joint is there.
Ah, yeah.
Have you seen it? 1, 2, and 3.
Ah, okay.
So we are ready to chop this one. So if you want to chop it, you have to hit at the top of any joint. So which joint you want to hit it?
That one.
Yeah. So this one here. So we're gonna try to chop this one. Really hard.
Whoa. Naka.
Oh my god, wow.
You can use it, the water is there. Wow. Drink it.
Taste test, George.
Taste test.
Yeah.
Do I just drink it like that?
Yeah.
You just drink it like that?
Come on.
Good.
That's matured.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Tasty.
So the next step is this one here.
Mmm.
This is the scraper.
Ah.
Scrape it to get the milk. Ah. Ooh.
Come on.
Eat.
Yeah.
I don't want to try it.
No? Mmm. Wow. That's amazing, yeah. That's amazing. Oh. Mmm. So he's just done scraping it. So nice. It's like so fresh. So he's just added fresh water
Yeah.
to make coconut milk.
That's it.
Milk out.
So a cup of coffee and coconut milk.
Oh yeah.
So you guys should buy cans in supermarket.
Yeah.
So in Fiji, no. Up there, down here.
In Fiji, get it for free from the tree.
Fresh from the farm.
So if you were to make something with coconut milk in it, you would just get it. That's crazy. Do you think that the stuff that we buy from supermarkets is full of like preservatives and...
Yeah, I think it's good. Maybe, you know, maybe sometimes it's months there, 5 months, 4 months, you know.
Right.
Yeah. But this one,
No, this
fresh,
is
fresh from the farm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
That's the milk.
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Oh, so cool. Oh, so it's just like water.
Seki, kenapa mau turun ambil ilo napa?
That's crazy.
So creamy. It will boost your What's your
Strength.
Great, thank you.
Do you want to try it, George, first?
Yep.
Come on, why not?
Ooh.
Nice.
It tastes like
Mmm.
Yeah, that's good, yeah.
it's like
Oh.
nutty.
nutty? Coconut.
What would you rate that experience, George?
10.
10 out of 10. The coconut milk was so nice.
That's sick. I didn't know that that's how like creamy.
Yeah, I know. It was so like creamy and so like fresh, wasn't it? It was amazing.
It was like lukewarm though, that's why.
Yeah, it was warm, to be fair.
We're just about to go for a swim because it's so hot.
Georgie's boiling, so we're gonna have a dip in the drink. Naka naka! Time for lunch. Just grabbed lunch. George, what did you get?
Chicken broth soup thing. With
Looks
noodles.
nice. And I got big juicy burger, bacon burger with some chips and a beautiful view. I've just finished lunch, but I've gone to make a coffee and I kind of wanted some coconut milk with it. So this guy said he's going to make me some coconut milk, which should be pretty cool. Bula! Mmm, 10 out of 10. I'm gonna spice Georgie with a chocolate milkshake. Looks so nice.
Ten out of 10, unreal. That's really good. And I wonder if it's got any coconuts in it.
I wonder.
Probably not, but it's really good.
I'm in the good books now, aren't I, George?
You were anyway, but more so now, yeah.
Yeah.
So we're just heading out for a little kayak. We don't have long, but the sun's kind of covering the water, like, anyway, but it still looks really, like, green, bluey. We didn't know which way to go, so we decided to go this way. It's a bit windy.
Having a little pit stop. Got my feet in the water. Got some Fijian tunes back there, if you can see on that boat. Just chilling in the sun, aren't we, George? Just chilling. Kayaking done, sun's about to set. How did you find that, George?
Yeah, short and sweet.
Short and sweet.
Yeah.
Little bit of exercise for the day done. What's the plan now, Stan?
Don't know really. See where the wind takes us.
See where the wind takes us. Gonna take the little drone out for a spin, I think. Georgie's on the beach sunbathing, so I'll try and find her on the drone. Drone all zipped up, now time to find Georgie. Really nice place, this one, actually. Bit nicer than Barefoot Quatter. It's got a lot more like garden greenery. It's actually quite nice. Some of these fancy ones as well, look at that. That's well cool, that. Found a cat. Found her.
Hi.
Georgie's decided she wants to go for a swim, so we're gonna have a little dip in this. Amazing. Look how still it is.
Donu. Right. And donu. Yeah.
Bola.
You have to let Madam.
Ah, I see. Yeah. I see. And then you add water.
No,
And water
it's
to the bowl.
It's a tap water.
Oh, and then
Put in the bowl.
Put in the strainer, then we mix it. And the
okay.
color be like this.
I see. Yeah.
Because if you don't put, okay, have you tried the tequila?
Sorry?
Have you tried tequila?
Sorry?
Have you tried the tequila?
Try not to.
Tequila. Have you ever had
Oh,
tequila?
It's
I
like
have.
a tequila shot. One.
Oh, like a shot.
It's like a shot.
Okay, I'm nervous. Ready?
Yeah. Hey.
After that, clap 3 times.
Clap 3 times.
Wait.
Not like a tennis clap. Tennis clap is like this. Cup clap.
Oh.
Yes.
Bola.
We've found a cat, so we're going over to stroke it.
Friendly, I don't know.
Not friendly. There he is. I've seen him.
No, he's got like scabies or something, George. He's got scabies.
He's got scabies. Hey. Oh,
Not friendly,
You- strokeable. Oh, I guess it's too late. Oh no, he's
Maybe
kind of
he is
cute.
friendly.
And he or she's quite fat.
Huh?
They're quite fat, so it makes me think that they are owned.
Hey, brother.
Aww.
Not playing, is he, bro? So that was me and Georgie trying some kava. It's like a tree root plant type thing, and it gets ground down and then strained, and then you drink it. You've got to say bola before you drink it, and then after you drink it you clap 3 times, and it's like gives your mouth like a silky type, a silky feeling, I'd describe it as. But yeah, so we're just gonna have dinner now, and then we'll probably head to bed. So subscribe, like, and watch tomorrow's video, which we're going to be moving islands, so subscribe so you can see that.